You see, box is on. Garage is a mess. Today we're gonna do something a little different. I do a lot of other things other than just 4x4 stuff. So I'm gonna try to do like episodal content of just when certain things are built. These will be released as they're done, so it might be on a Monday, Tuesday, Saturday night. Whenever I get it published, I'm just gonna publish these. These aren't gonna be part of the normal schedule stuff. It's its own little sub thing. So let's get to it. One for today. Clean up this mess. Okay, so that took about 40 minutes, but I have a lot more usable space now. Where the project was is all cleaned up. This is kind of still a mess. Hopefully we're gonna get rid of the kid cart and just have the small kid cart soon. Fought fire, wood to burn. This will start cleaning up as it gets used up. I'm probably gonna see about moving all my metal to this wall. And that'll give me basically here over usable space to do stuff. Because, well, there's going to be a big camper being put in here soon. First on my honeydew list is this guy. It's a rivet slash snap slash whatever machine that my wife has. She wanted a bigger base for it, but she actually likes the size now. She just wants something to fix this roughness, so I'm going to make a wood base for it. Simple. There we go, little base. Screws went past, but we sanded them smooth. There we go. She's gonna put some felt feet on it, and rear rivet button tool gun thingy is done. I'll just do a 24 by 32 inch sheet of wood. Just put it across the whole top as a good solid foundation anchor place. I'm not pinning this Lexan holding all this weight up. Then from there, I'm just gonna put straight up from that. I'm just gonna do that straight from there. So I'll take some parts that I'm going to use to store on top of this thing in there after we make the bottom piece. I'll go from there. we made a shelf for our 3D printer. So projects we're working on these are IKEA trays. That's why we cut about a 1/4 inch grooves in here for those. The side has a little equipment shelf to hold our stuff we use all the time. That's for, some stuff's for the resin printer and some stuff's for this guy. This is a 3-in-1 printer, so it does printing, laser, and CNC. So here's the laser bed, some consumables, clamps for the CNC modules, safety goggles, waste boards, extra print beds, extra filament, and filament. And this is a full shelf here. Originally we were going to bolt it down, but since this is spanning the whole top, it's resting on the whole frame, so this is kind of redundant. There is a large silicone pad between this wood and the frame, so it's keeping it in position. Alright, so that's we built. Oh, also there's a shelf up on top with a 2-inch lip around so we don't push stuff off the edge, so extra parts. This is a little shelf thing I made earlier that I'm still using. It was originally part of this original shelf I had, but when we just had this guy, and when we bought this, we pulled dimensions, like, yeah, it's gonna be big. Then it's big. It's super big.